welcome back to Yellow Foods. Today I'm going to be doing cooking with Summer, MasterChef Summer in the back here. Summer, say hi. Just morning. So today Summer is going to choose between the white chocolate and raspberry cookies, or the chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. Hey guys, MasterChef Summer here. She's going to be making the decision of a lifetime. Summer? Yeah, I know. Are you ready? Alright, let's go. Come on, choose. Please choose. So on this side is the white chocolate and raspberry cookie, and this side is the chocolate chip cookie. Think. Summer chose the white chocolate and raspberry cookie. Oh, do you like that cookie? Summer chose the white chocolate and raspberry cookie. Let's get this open. It's open now, so let's get it out. It's out now, so let's get cooking. I got the bowl. Let's pour. Snip, snip, snip. Pour. 1 egg. Butter. Let's crack this egg. 2 tablespoons of butter. 1, 2. Microwave. Ready. Let's pour. Mix. Done. Baking paper. Done. Now pop them in the oven. Cookies in. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. So they're ready. Let's get them out. Let's get them on the cooling rack. This is the final product. This is the final product. Let's crack this egg.